Hi guys, welcome to my first vlog on the Speed Twin 900. We're coming through the Denalogie, which was the old A92, into Stonehaven. So it's obviously it's just one way. Don't know if you can pick up the engine noise because it's rather windy today, guys. Under the railway bridge. We'll slow down because there's a few times there's a car come out of the golf club there. Look at that view, guys. You can see the War Memorial up in the hill in Stonehaven Bay. Now there's the police. Go behind his tea break, is he? Right, as you can see, I've got the fuel light on, so we'll go and fill the bike up a petrol. So we'll bring you back, guys. So we're in Stonehaven. So we'll maybe have a wee ride down to the harbour, guys. I'll let this van go ahead because you don't see much with white van man in front of you, do you? This is the market square. Just have a wee look for you, guys. This is where we Mark went to the academy. We used to get bussed from Portlethen. I think there was about 6 buses back then. Used to leave. I hope he's not going down to the harbour. He bloody is. That's just because I said it, innit? The cop shop in there. Cancel the indicator. So this is coming into the old town. Old town of Stonehaven. My late mother, she was brought up here in Stonehaven. So this is the street where they hold the fireballs at Hogmanay, guys. You know, with the bales of hay in a metal basket that's lit in, and they swing them to weave off evil spirits. Nice barometer and clock there. Better pay attention. It's bloody right. I'll tell you what. We're going to go left here. Folk just walking about, haven't got a care in the world. There's the harbour of Stonehaven. So we'll just do a wee U-turn here and then we'll go round the other side. This is where I met Bruce, Coast Rider Scotland. That's about 2 years ago now. So we'll just spin Ruby around here. We don't want to go into the water. Must be a KTM rider. KTM, kill their motorcycles. Should be their new name. It's a shame because they're nice bikes as well too. This boy's still in the middle of the fucking road. Alright, just bide there, pal. So we'll take you along the other side, guys. First time for Ruby down here. You've got the famous ship in. Got a nice meal and pint in there, guys. And then the other famous one here is the Marine Hotel. So it can be very, very busy this down here, especially in the warm weather, guys. Obviously it's low tide today. big hole there. So we'll take you down into the pier and you can see the harbour. You know, this is only what 6 miles away from the house, guys, so very close. Give the guy a nod. He's walking his dog. Big dirty doggy. Oh, do you notice I'm still indicating, guys? Now let's see if I can turn around. Oh, well done, Mark. Cliffs up there. I'm not liking that clouds up there. I'll just go to the right hand side here. Obedient dog there, eh? Staffordshire Bull Terrier, isn't it? Staffy, isn't it? Now, I'll just go and put some E5 in the bike. Motion lotion. It's a thing that makes the wheels go round. Is that one of the electric BMWs? That's shocking. I got no exhaust pipe. 75 plate as well. Bumpy here in the cobbles. Oh, somebody's. That coffee's mine, thank you. The guy's stopping to let cars past. Now, how the fucking hell can cars come past him if he's in the middle of the road, guys? Come on. Well, I'm just going to go too. Cheers, bud. Busy. Right, I'll bring you back, guys. If I can switch. Bring you back, guys. We just filled up my petrol and we're on the Slug road. Yeah, it's wind's coming at all different directions today. Certainly cooler at nights anyway. My feet are beginning to feel it. Nice sky and clouds up there though. So we'll bring you back. Bring you back, guys. We've just come over some unclassified road. So we're just about to go over the Bridge of Hoose. Now here we go. None coming from the left. So we'll go over this slowly, guys. Well, there you go. Really nice, eh? So there you go. And we're back, guys. So we've just passed Strawn and we're heading towards Finging. So we're going to pass in a moment, well, a mile or so up the road, the old Hoose side inn. And the bottom of the Cairnmount road. So we'll keep the camera rolling for that. soaks up the bumps so much better, this thing, guys. There's a ford down there. Last time I came round here, the guy went through in his 4x4 pickup truck. Should have stopped and watched him. A bit of gravel in the corner there. The hillsides. Look at that, guys, eh? I'm kind of blessed with the area. A lot of nice roads. With the rain we had last night, obviously this isn't dried. It was quite a heavy shower last night. There has been a spit of rain today. There's the Hoose side in, guys. It's now a bed and breakfast. This used to be absolutely hoaching with bikers and that in the weekend back in the day. That road up there takes you to the Pitarch Bridge, and the road here to my left is the Cairn Mount. I sat on that bridge for 2 hours waiting for the boys one day. So the next stop, we'll just keep the camera rolling. The next stop is Fingen. I've just got more confidence, guys, on the bike, you know it. Just at normal speeds. I think I'll bring you back, guys, because we've got a lot of wind. Right, we're back. We're just coming through Fingen, so we'll veer left here, guys, and we'll take you past the tea rooms, Fingen tea room and farm shop. It's very nice. So it's just up the hill a wee bit there, so we'll go along here about a mile. I don't normally come this way. Yeah, we're getting blown about today. You like the hillside? We're up here, there you go, half mile, and you've got the Burson Fingen Church up this way too. Self-catering here. I think there's quite a lot of self-catering in this area, you know. Church there, guys, for you. No, Fingen School through the woods. Hill up there, that's in the trees, that's Tom's Cairn, I believe, or it's either that or over to the right. Now this is the tea room here. We'll have to do a coffee review here one day. It's quite nice. I normally just park my bike in front of that black van. So yeah, there you go, guys, Fingen tea room. So we'll just take our time because I think the lights ahead are flashing for the school. we've always got to observe behaviour for the locals that live here. I'm still indicating, guys. There's me saying I will notice it on the dash, and I've failed miserably. So there's a sign from the other side. This is a road I normally take up. I'll use my mirror to see anything's coming. I'll switch it off this time. So this is on the B976, and there's a stop off up here that you'll recognise, guys, and then after that we'll bring you back. We'll just slow up here, guys. In fact, we'll just go in, because you'll recognise this place with the standing stones. I'm not going to stop, but we'll just take you into the car park. Stopping this. So, just let you see the standing stones there. So there's a walk just beyond that standing stone, and then past that tree there's a path up there. It takes you to Tom's Cairn. There's a sign there, it tells you. So yeah, it's a nice place. This is where I normally just park up and spend 5 minutes, guys. Okay, we're good to go. So we'll bring you back, guys. So we're just coming up to the Aboyne Bridge. It's still closed to traffic, but apparently they are working on it, guys. So yeah, I do take a bike across there actually. So yeah, just there. Some work getting done there, eh? Just carry on the road. So we're now approaching, this is called the Tower of Ease, guys. That house, it's actually a rental, and they've actually got a hot tub on the other side. So yeah, and that takes you up to the Glentana estate. My late father used to take the scouts there and get permission to camp there. We'll keep the camera rolling this time, because I've kind of just been switching on and off. Oh, he's got a cat in the bottom of his car. There's a nice house up here on the right hand side. I don't know if you'll make it out through the trees. Just a bit further on. Maybe past it, guys. I think it's more visible from the opposite direction. Anyway, we'll keep the camera running, and the next point of interest is a stop off where I take a lot of photographs, guys. It is rather windy today, so don't know how the mic will be picking this up. There's a glider coming into land there, or should I say an aeroplane. It's probably taking up a glider, the D-side gliding club. So I'll just slow up a bit, because a wee bit up here is where I normally pull in. There we go. There's two bits. You can park there, or you can park just up here, guys. There's the hut that I always show you. So we'll just pull in, there's the Gin Palace. So we'll just pull in here. Oh, the water's busy today, isn't it? Yeah, the water's quite low, isn't it? Okay, we'll carry on, guys. We shall carry on. Next stop, Dinnet. We'll continue on this road. We won't go onto the main road. So we'll... I think part of the reason that bridge at Aboyne is closed is because of the heavy lorries that have been using that sawmill over the years. Because when that bridge at Aboyne was built, I mean, it wasn't made for vehicular traffic and heavy lorries carrying logs, etc. I think we'll just keep the camera running till we get past Dinnet, and then we'll switch yous off. It's getting rather blustery. There's a nice little wee monument here, guys, at the side of the road, just to my right there. Don't know if the camera caught it. There's a wee campsite up here on the left hand side. It's just very basic. I think they've got like chemical toilet shacks just in there, guys. There you go, to my left. You see a caravan in that. An Ariba caravan. Like a toilet hut. It's like an old thunderbox, isn't it? And then we've got the River Dee just there. Through the trees. We'll slow down and let this lorry get round the corner. It's a spit of rain offering, guys. So if I just slow up here, it is rain. The Dinnet Bridge, it's where the lorries use. It's going to be closed. Oh, I've missed it. There's a pillbox in that trees there, guys. I can't point the camera at both directions. So we'll carry on. Right, I'll bring yous back, guys. I'll bring yous back. Right, guys, we're just about another 5 mile along the road. So we're just on the outskirts of Ballater. So what we'll do is we'll just have a wee drive into Ballater, go round the car park and back out. Nothing fancy. These roads are quite damp because of the rain last night, and it's offering to rain. But even although we've got lovely blue skies ahead, the petrol station across there. We'll turn right here, guys. Half mile to Ballater. Put the visor up, guys. So this is the Royal Borough of Ballater. We'll get past this cyclist. So this is the main street. There's a famous butcher shop here. It had the royal flag on it. Just there, the blue sign, Sheridan's. But since Charlie's come in, then it's not the appointment of the Queen, so coffee shop there. Huh. The handy guys. So we'll just go into the car park. We'll do a U-turn and we'll get back on the road and we'll head for coffee. We'll just go through this because there's a space here. There's a sweetie shop behind me, guys, that I normally go to get my Edinburgh Rock. Now across there, look at that, an old-fashioned tobacco and cigarettes, Yule's. It's been there for years in the deli shop. And you can see the royal appointments above the thing there. Okay, I'll let that lady cross her pram. Okay, on we go, guys. There's still a lot of tourists going about in there, even though we're church there. Somebody's out with their bike. There's the butchers again, the right hand side. You get a nice steak pie in there, guys. Nice price too. We should really visit that charity shop because it's, you know, it's a hoity-toity kind of area, so you might have some nice clothes in there. There's a motion lotion shop. Yeah, Ruby will be nice and dirty now that I've taken her out. They're all polished up yesterday. But that's what it's for, isn't it? Right, guys. So we'll just keep the camera running because we're just going into the milk house. We'll see Maggie. I must admit, this is a lovely ride. I mean, she's not as quick as Mitzi, but it just trundles down the road, guys. You know, and it's with ease. That's maybe the best explanation. It just does it with ease. And you've got the nice soundtrack of the engine exhaust note into the bargain. So yeah, fantastic. Sorry for sniffling. The road to the left, that is the bypass of Ballater. So normally if I'm going up to Glenshee, I normally take that. I'm going 8 miles, 21 miles to Bankery and 40 to Aberdeen. I was going to wait to say, guys, we could have seen how she does for the overtaking, but we'll take the car, I think. Now we got them. I keep thinking I want to stick her up to 6 gears because I'm at it, but I've just got the 5 gears. There's a walkway in there, an old railway, the D-side way. It's very popular. There's a guy walking it there. So here we go. That's us at the milk house. So we'll go and get a lovely pot of tea. So just in there, guys. Canvas Me. It's a cheese company, so basically they just do cheese toasties with other stuff in it. There is somebody sitting outside. Maggie's car's not here today, guys, so maybe Maggie's not here. Just keep the camera running till we stop, guys. In fact, we'll just stop it and we'll turn the bike round. I don't think it's got the greatest of turning circles, but the handy thing is I've got actually more purchase on the ground, so this is easier to move it than the Mitzi actually, because obviously feet on ground. So being 5'4", guys, and having a 26.5-inch leg, you know, it's okay for the majority of people because they can touch the ground, you know, whereas I'm struggling. But yeah, I feel much easier on this bike, guys. That's my first ride out on my own, obviously. So we'll go in, we'll get a cup of tea, and we'll bring you back later, maybe. Anyway, bye bye.